In a right angle triangle, PQR, PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is our triangle. Okay. PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. QR is equal to 25 centimeter. And Q is 90 degrees. So PQ is 7 centimeter. QR is 25 centimeter. Okay. And we don't know what is the hypotenuse. So now we have to find tan P. Tan P is equal to, what is the formula? Our theta is at P. Okay. So tan P is equal to, what is the formula for tan?
Opposite by adjacent.
Adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. Very good. So what is our opposite? Our opposite is 25. Our adjacent is 7. So 25 by 7 is the tan P. Now we have to find for tan R. So our theta is at R. Okay. So now what is the opposite? What is the opposite for tan R is equal to opposite by adjacent? What is the opposite in this equation? In this, sorry, triangle? Opposite to theta or opposite to R is 7.
7 centimeters.
Adjacent side is? Adjacent is
25 centimeters.
25. So opposite is 7 and adjacent is 25 for tan R. When theta is R, our opposite is 7, adjacent is 25. Okay, now what we have to find? Tan P minus tan R. So we already know tan P, we already know tan R. So tan P minus tan R is equal to, what is tan P? Tan P is 25 by 7 minus tan R. Tan R is 7 by 25. Now simplify these two and you will get the final answer. Yeah, multiplying and dividing by 25 here and by 7 here. 25 into 7 will be
175.
next question. In a right angle triangle, okay, ABC, angle B is right angle. Angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Small a is equal to 24 units. B is equal to 25 units. And angle BAC is equal to theta. Find sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, we need to draw the triangle. So what is given to us in the question? Angle B is right angle
Theta is at A.
BAC. So theta will be at A. Okay. So this is C. Now small a, it means opposite to capital A, that is 24 units. Small b means opposite to capital B, that will be 25 units. Okay. Now using this, we can find cos theta, tan theta, sin theta. In this triangle, we are not having this adjacent side. So first of all, we need to find that adjacent side. So how we are going to find it? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is your Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of opposite plus square of adjacent side. Okay. So what is AC? AC is 25 square is equal to BC is 24 square plus AB. AB is AB. Okay. Now send this 24 square to that side and you will get it as AB square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. 25 square is, most of the students do this mistake. 25 minus 24 is 1. 1 square is 1. This will be absolutely wrong because first of all we must multiply. Then we can add or subtract. Okay. So 25 square is 625.
625.
24 square is
576.
576. Now subtract these two, you will get the final answer. So AB square is 49. So if you put what is AB, the square will go over here. So it will be root 49. So what is root 49? Root 49 is, tell me what is root 49? Units. AB is equal to 7 units. Okay. Now we have to find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So let's redraw the triangle. Our theta is at A, B is our right angle and C is C. Okay, AC is 25, our BC is 24 and we just now found out that AB is 7. Now sin theta, that is sin A, is equal to
24
opposite by
opposite by hypotenuse. Adjacent.
hypotenuse. Our opposite is, what is our opposite?
Our opposite is 24.
Rahim, our opposite is?
24.
Very good. Riza, hypotenuse is?
25.
Very good. Anas, adjacent is?
7.
Very good. So what is sin A is equal to?
24 by 25.
24 by 25. Opposite by hypotenuse. Can we further divide it and get the answer in the form of fraction? No.
No, sir.
So next, cos A. Cos A is equal to?
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Adjacent by
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is?
7.
7.
And hypotenuse is
7.
It's also not
7. Hypotenuse is?
25.
25. Tan A is equal to?
opposite by adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is?
24.
24. And
Adjacent
7.
7.
cosecant.
Next question.
Cosecant.
If cos A is equal to 12 by 13. 12 by 13, then find sine A cos A. Okay. So now this is our
Sine-
triangle.
सर कॉस से ऑलरेडी बता दिया ना फिर
Okay,
cos
so tan A. Tan A. So this is our triangle. Okay. Let's say A is here, B is the right angle, and this is C. Our theta is at A. So cos A is equal to
cos is equal to opposite by hypotenuse.
cos A is equal to
Cos is
12 by
adjacent
13.
adjacent by hypotenuse, and that is 12 by 13. So our adjacent is 12. So what is our adjacent? BC is our adjacent side. AC is our hypotenuse, and AB is our
Opposite.
AB is our opposite.
Adjacent.
Adjacent. BC is our
opposite.
opposite. So adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse is 13. We have to find opposite.
Opposite.
Pythagoras
Clear?
theorem.
Very good. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to square of hypotenuse is equal to square of adjacent plus square of opposite. So ABC square plus AB square. Now AC is 13 square, BC is
Sir, plus or minus?
it should be plus, right? AC square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of opposite plus square of adjacent.
Okay, sir.
Okay. BC AB is 12. Now 13 square is what is 13 square? Thirteen square is 1 minute. We will send this 12 square to that side. So opposite square will be equal to 13 square minus 12 square. So now tell me 13 square is
169.
169.
12 square is
144.
subtract
144. $25.
very good
25.
25. So opposite square is equal to 25. So if we put the root over here, the square goes here, it will be root. So 25 square is
5.
root 25 is
5.
5.
Sir, what?
Okay, so we now got the opposite, that is 5. Now we have to find sine A. Sine A is opposite by
Adjacent.
hypotenuse. Opposite is
5.
opposite
5.
side is 5. Hypotenuse is
Hypotenuse is
13.
13. Similarly, find cos A. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12. Hypotenuse is 13.
13.
But they did not ask us to find cos A. So we can skip that. Find tan A and tell me. tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. So our answer is 5 by 12. If 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A cos A. This is given to us in the question. If 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A cos A. So first of all, send this 3 to that side. Tan A will be equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Now draw the triangle. A is here. A is our theta. B is right angle. C. You have to draw this rough diagram. It is compulsory. Okay. So tan theta is equal to
A. Tan A.
opposite by adjacent. So what is our opposite? This is our opposite. This is our adjacent, and this is our hypotenuse. Our opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. Find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem.
तो 4 2 सा कर दिया.
So 4 square plus 3 square is equal to hypotenuse. Now 4 square is
16.
16, 3 square is 9. So hypotenuse square is equal to 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So hypotenuse will be root of 25, that is 5.
Answer.
Okay. Now find sin A using this triangle. So our opposite is 4, hypotenuse 5. So sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Our adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Find the answers for these questions.